Robert, how about over at CBP? You guys have a unique situation. You're in all of the major sort of Super Bowl cities, if you will, major cities across the country, but then you're all across the borders, CONUS and OCONUS. So you've got some real massive requirements there.
Yeah, thank you, Luke. It's definitely been a challenge, and we've definitely adjusted this year as COVID-19 has changed our operations a little bit. So we do have a lot of 5G initiatives going on. Some of them will be the traditional on the belt as we look to expand our mobile capabilities across the board for our operators. Some of it is on autonomous surveillance. We're doing some really great work down on the southern border with the Commissioner's Innovation Team with autonomous surveillance towers. And we really see that 5G is going to allow us to have some great capabilities to bring that data back in, low latency, and do some processing on the edge. Some of our other initiatives revolve around Wi-Fi 6 as well, which is a complementary technology to 5G. So I really view 5G as the outside, Wi-Fi 6 on the inside. So we really want to have this seamless operation as our operators move from the field into a vehicle, into a facility, and back out. And I absolutely think that 4G is still a complementary and technology that will be with us for a long time. So we're doing a lot of work in the 4G area as well, installing backup capabilities at our fixed sites. And that's been an amazing capability that we've rolled out to well over 200 critical CBP sites, that when their terrestrial lines are cut, they can still operate, which is absolutely critical. We're doing a lot of work on in-vehicle or in-truck capabilities on our mobile surveillance platforms, our mobile processing platforms, our border patrol and field operations vehicles. And then we're doing some work on our LMR network. How can we integrate these technologies across the board? And I think 5G will play a role in that as well. The other thing that we're doing really well is planning on IoT. We really see that IoT is going to explode as 5G rolls out, and we absolutely have to have a good security in place on our IoT solutions as we roll them out. So we're doing a lot on cloud migration, which does play a role in 5G. Doesn't make a lot of sense to do 5G and then backhaul it all back to a traditional data center. So we're looking at options for how we can spread out our applications, how we can migrate to the cloud faster, and data. Yeah, you know, it's all in access to data from the operators. So we're doing a lot of work on data management, data access, modern databases, and solutioning around that to deliver all this data across the 5G networks back to the operators. So I think we have a lot of things in the hopper, so to say. And I think really 21 is when we're going to really see a lot of movement at CBP in 5G and Wi-Fi 6.
Sounds